When packing a cooler with water samples, the easiest way to do this is to choose a cooler that fits the number of samples you'll be submitting to the lab, leaving some space for ice packs and to ensure that the bottles are upright when shipping back to us. In this example, we're packing a routine bottle, a total metals bottle, and BTEX F1 to F2 bottles. Make sure your BTEX vials are packed with bubble bags that are provided to you and upright. Add some ice packs to make sure the samples stay cool. Lastly, include your chain of custody form, which should be enclosed in a plastic bag to ensure moisture doesn't get in there. You can now pack up the top space with paper or bubble wrap to ensure nothing is broken during transit. If you give the lab 2 weeks notice, Element is able to provide clients with a groundwater monitoring kit. All of the samples will be pre-bagged by Well ID for the field sampler's ease of use. Element can also pre-log in all of the samples to cross-compare with what we receive at the time of login.